Today's race day replay is brought to you by Weld Racing. Forged in competition, proven at any speed.
Here we go. Both drivers are in. Both drivers are green, and somebody's really good. Top end with a whomp. 003 reaction time and takes it. 476. Noah Johnson takes the victory right there, Mike. Zach's in the beams. Tree coming down. Green, green. That's going to be anybody's race on the top end. Top end, little womp, 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 and it's going to be Zach Shirky. Check that out. 087 reaction time, dead on with it as they put it in the beams. Right here, Pro Junior Dragster. Nicole's in. Cameron's in. Lights are down. Top end charge is going to be double breakout. Hawkins takes it. 789 for the victory. 030 reaction. Oh. Both drivers on green. Who's going to win? Top 10 going to be Chris. All the way, 444, 020 reaction. Here we go, Donnie Urban. Let's see if we can put together a good pairing. Hopefully makes a full pass out there. Oh, 30 reaction time, brings it back, goes dead on one. So not bad, 31,000 package. Beams right here. Angela's in. William comes in. Tree coming down. Going to be a race to the stripe. Top end, it's going to be Angela Gantowski. Takes her second win of the year. Here we go. Both drivers are green. Womp, 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 womp to the victory, baby. Chess Silence goes 008 on the tree. 401 at 177, Martino. Pre-stage, there we go. Daryl's in. Jordan's in. Tree coming down. Both drivers are green. Who's it going to be? Insulin. Looks like he's gone. Top in. It's going to be Insulin. 425, 167 miles an hour. 016 reaction time. Daryl was 019 on the tree. Goes. Put him in the beans. First of the heads up on a round, at least in this rotation. Oh, man. Top end charge is going to be, it's going to be Brunson. Grothis with the power. 4-0. So both drivers are in. Man, two good reaction times right there. It's going to be all Boone. 407, 176, 009 reaction time for Steve Boone. Dylan Voss was 008. Had him on the tree just by a tick. In the beams right here in Pro Nitrous. Final round, who's going to do it first? Sorrow's in. Here comes Franklin. Will it be all about the jungle? Tree coming out. Oh, no, he gets out of it. Danny Sorrows 365 to 204 miles an hour. Gets his first victory ever in Schweitzer Dynamics Pro Nitrous. Unbelievable right there. Final round. Put him in the beams right here, Marcel Promos. Tommy D's in. Here comes Melanie. Oh, man. Top in charge is going to be 369 with a 3-2-0-1. Tommy D gets it by 4 thousandths of a second. Melanie Salemi had him on the tree just by a little bit.